So I'm standing here at this small excavator place called AST Industries in Chicago. I'm getting one of their units right now. That's the name. This place is huge. One of the biggest things that I was leery of buying one here online was that I thought it could be a rinky-dink operation. Look at these things. They got all kinds. They got excavators, they got parts, pieces. Everywhere you look, there's equipment here. These warehouses have been on like forever. Look at this. This place is great. Oh, here's one I'm getting. Here's what I'm getting right here.